Hey everyone, it's Evelyn the Toy Tamer coming to you with May's video hello. Welcome, first of all, to all the people who've been with me forever, but I also want to put out a special welcome to all the people who have just joined recently. I was part of a summit for working moms, and I got a lot of new followers from that, so welcome. So this month, I want to talk about one of the things that I buy from IKEA that I do not use it for what it's intended for. It's intended to store shoes, but I use it to store activity books, stickers, coloring books, paper, all that sort of stuff, those things that slip and slide all over when you're trying to put them somewhere for your kids to use. I use what are called trones, which are basically shoe cabinets that mount on the wall, but they hold so much stuff. I was just using them yesterday in a playroom between they even hold magnadoodles. I mean, they hold everything. Up it's just actually playing right now on my computer, but I'm going to stop that. And I'm going to try stop it. I'm going to include it down below here, the whole video that I did, and it explains exactly what they are and shows you exactly how you can use them. So that is my May video hello and tip for what works and what doesn't in a playroom. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. And if you or anybody you know needs their playroom tamed, I'm here for you. I can do it with you, I can do it for you, or you can do it yourself with my DIY or online class. Whatever works in your world will work for me, but I'm here to help you. After all, we have the same goal in mind, a neatly organized playroom where the kids can learn executive functioning skills at the same time. All right, so long.